As the functionality of devices like smartphones, smartwatches, wearables, along with AR and VR devices expands, the increasingly densely packed PCBs must remain low profile and maintain a small footprint. To combat this design challenge, Molex has released the industry's first staggered circuit layout connector that delivers 30% space savings over conventional designs, the Quadro board-to-board connector. New connector designs like Quadro from Molex can help design engineers to innovate without the concerns of signal integrity and space limitation. In this tech snack, we will discuss the challenges designers may face with miniaturized designs and introduce Molex's Quadro connector system. If you find yourself designing to cater for the latest demands for precision and miniaturization in a dynamic market, stay tuned. The Quadro connector may well be the right solution for you. With applications in the leisure market, as well as personal healthcare and industry, handheld and wearable devices will dominate the consumer market in years to come. At the same time, these devices are offering more advanced features, requiring the latest in processor power, battery technology, and high-speed connectivity. My name is David Pike, the Connector Geek, and I'm here to talk to you today about the latest innovation in fine pitch connectors from Molex. When we compare connectors, we often talk about pitch. The pitch is defined as the distance between the centre of one contact and its nearest neighbour. For decades, pitch has served as a shorthand for how much space a connector will take up on the printed circuit board, or PCB. As the consumer electronics industry matured, the overall size of devices began to shrink as the technology became more compact. Traditional connectors with a large pitch are now too large, and designers need smaller alternatives that are better suited for the latest miniaturized designs. Molex has adopted an innovative approach for providing fine pitch connectors with their Quadro connector system. Instead of using two rows of contacts in a conventional side-by-side arrangement, the Quadro uses two pairs of contact rows that are staggered. By staggering the contacts on either side of the insulator, the mating pitch can be reduced to 0.175 mm, while the pitch between the PCB mounting terminals can be maintained at a much more practical 0.35 mm. The dual beam design of the Quadro connector offers the contact density of a much smaller component, while allowing a practical PCB layout. The connector also enjoys superior mechanical strength provided by the power terminals at each end. Not only do these create a secure fixing site for better retention on the PCB, but they can also serve as a grounding path or even a way to transfer power up to 3 watts from one board to another. The design of the power terminals also prevents damage during use. They make it easier to mate the connectors together, and even if they are slightly misaligned. As the Quadro is such a small connector, this feature makes joining of two PCBs much easier when assembling by hand. Connectors for the latest electronics require a unique combination of fine pitch, robust design, and high performance. To meet the demands of the consumer, manufacturers like Molex are creating new and innovative solutions that meet the needs of this latest generation of miniaturized devices. The Quadro connector from Molex, with its small size, fine pitch, and superior performance, is a fantastic example of how designers can create new ways to solve familiar problems. In addition, the compact size and reliable performance of the Quadro board-to-board connectors make them ideally suited for a variety of applications requiring ever smaller PCBs and flex assemblies. The ability to meet product miniaturization demands creates nearly limitless opportunities for AR and VR, automotive, communications, consumer, defense, IoT, medical, and wearable applications. To receive expert advice on Molex's Quadro connectors, contact your local Arrow representative, or to find more information, visit arrow.com. Many thanks for watching, and feel free to stick around for more Molex content.